That's that thermostat.
Yeah.
So, if it needs to be changed, I'll have to change it. Could just be because it's really cold. We'll run it in the shop and see what it does. If it comes up fine in the shop, it's because the water's 38 degrees.
Right. Yeah, so that in means they're all the way
Down.
Yeah, okay. Because I was looking at I took some pictures the other time I was here, and it looked like it was backwards, but maybe they weren't all the way, probably weren't all the way down when they was on the trailer.
They were up on the trailer.
Oh, okay.
So it was showing out, which
Yeah.
is away from the boat.
Okay.
Now this, I think, yeah, you can control the drives with this button here.
Yeah.
And again, when you're going fast, you can't make turns.
Right. Yeah.
And you lucked out, it's got 3/4 of tanks of fuel.
Yeah. There's 2 tanks? Yeah.
I believe so, yeah, because there's 2 gauges.
Yeah. Did you ever figure out what those are?
What? These?
Yeah.
No.
Huh.
Okay, ready? Over 60 and I didn't trim the drives up at all.
Yeah.
I'm not a speed guy. I don't like going fast.
Yeah. Is the water higher in the summer, or is it about the same?
No, it's higher.
Oh.
Couple things are going on. Once it gets, I forget what the date is, if it's an actual date or what, the power authority is legally allowed to suck more water.
Oh,
So
okay.
if they wanted to, between the U.S. and Canada, theoretically, I've been told they could suck the river dry. They have the capability to do it. Factory on it. And those were used, they'd take the dirty water, there's a pipe on the other side of the island you can see, where they'd suck the water in, make pulp, take the dirty water, pump it to the top, and by the time it got to the bottom, it would be 1970s clean enough to go back in the river.
Yeah, you're right, it's pretty cold.
Yeah, it was even colder yesterday. When Chris and I took it out yesterday,
Yeah.
we, you know, it was cold, but it hadn't started snowing. As soon as we pushed the throttles, it started snowing. It was like getting hit in the face with sand.
So did the right engine temperature come up at all, or no?
It came up to about 120. It's because of the thermostat.
Yeah.
So we'll run it again in the shop when it's warm and see what it does. If it needs a new thermostat, I'll put a new thermostat in it.
Yeah.
It's no big deal. They're cheap. It's easy.
So you were going over 60, and these were in the whole time.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not a speed guy. I'm a Coors Light guy.
yeah.
And those two things don't go well together.
They don't.
I'm quite content. My last boat, I had a 37-foot Sundancer. I'm quite happy at 18 miles an hour with a couple Coors Lights.
Is there any slop in the steering, or?
No, it's very tight.
Yeah. So this all the way down? The throttles don't go all the way to the
No.
bottom? They just go in the middle? Yeah.
Gets up and moves, doesn't it, Matt?
Yeah.